It was a different kind of lockdown for a group of 61 Brits. They weren't stuck at home, but in this remote pub in Yorkshire, in northern England. They came to watch an Oasis cover band and ended up snowed in for several days.
People were willing to share and just muck in and get where they could. And then the ones that were supposed to be sleeping in the tent, believe it or not, they got to sleep on the floor.
The weather forecast was poor, but nobody expected so much snow. The pub's doors were blocked and roads unsafe to travel. But instead of giving in to frustration, the stranded guests decided to make the most out of their captivity and keep the party going.
Yeah, it was good. We've had karaoke, we've had pub quizzes, we've had board games, card games, people helping to clear tables, wash up. Everybody's got on board with it all.
Standing at roughly 530 metres above sea level, the Tan Hill Inn is known as Britain's highest pub, and it's not the first time that guests here get snowed in.
People came as strangers. This before, it's a bit like a cliche, and there's a lot of friends leaving.
3 days later, finally came the rescue. But after sharing an unplanned long weekend, the guests are already talking about a reunion here next year.